Okay, I'm going to be doing a sweetie taste. So, the first sweet I've got is, I'm just going to do it randomly, a strawberry and cream flavoured chewy lolly. So, let's, one sec. Just need to find a way to balance. Okay, perfect. So, one sec. Sorry, my phone fell over. That's bad. That's really bad. So, first one is a strawberry and cream lolly favourite. So let's go and taste it. I've got to eat it all. I've got to taste a bit. So it looks nice, but will it taste nice? Some of these sweets, the sweets that are in here, I've never actually tasted before. So. Oh, wow. It's so hard. I've got three other sweets. I'm going to be trying to get that. These. So, this is okay, but
Did you just unplug my Hoover freezer?
one sec. Okay, so I don't really like this one, so I'm going to spit it out. Be back in a bit.
Let me know if you do or not.
Okay, I'm back. So, the next sweet I'm going to do is, I'm just going to fizzers, whatever they're called. Okay. So, I've never tried these before. So, guessing from the name, I bet they'll be fizzy, so I'm only going to have one. Oh my god! Oh. Fizzy. What's fizzy? Oh my god, oh, so fizzy. Remember, I have to eat it all. Oh my god. That's horrible. I don't like it.